Railways 2026-27 carrying the voice of Telangana, a state that's powering India's IT, pharma and industrial engine, but still waiting for its railways to catch up. Railways are not just tracks and trains, they are the veins of the economy. Farmers to markets, workers to jobs, factories to customers, regions to real opportunity. For a fast-growing state like Telangana, world-class rail infrastructure isn't a luxury, it's oxygen. After Telangana formation, post-2014, expectations were high. Separate state, equitable justice, progress, yes, but many wounds remain open. Looking ahead, Telangana's economy is exploding. Hyderabad is India's innovation capital. Yet high-speed, rapid rail links to Bengaluru, Chennai, Pune and Mumbai remain mostly talk. The 2026-27 budget brought good news. 3 high-speed corridors sanctioned involving Hyderabad, Chennai, Bengaluru, Pune. That's welcome. Now deliver clear timelines, DPRs and execution speed. India can't afford to leave its tech and pharma hub off the bullet train map. For Hyderabad's metro explosion, suburban rail is helping. But think bigger. A regional ring rail integrated with logistic parks and industrial nodes. Plan it now or the city chokes tomorrow. Coming to my Warangal Lok Sabha constituency, let's start with Kazipet Junction, the north-south gateway. It handles enormous passenger and freight volumes, yet it's perpetually jammed. The rail and the rail tunnel here isn't some local wish list item. It's a national necessity to unclog one of India's busiest routes. Expedite it. Next, I thank the Railway Minister, Honorable Railway Minister, for the Railway Manufacturing Unit at Kazipet. But the land is identified, announcements made, trial runs done, connectivity trials successful, yet full operations are still coming soon. Jobs created from this unit should mandatorily be filled by the locals of the area, especially the class 3 and 4 jobs. Then there is a long-standing demand for a new railway zone or at least a strong sub-zone division headquartered at Kazipet. Its geography screams centrality. A dedicated administrative eye would fix coordination gaps, speed up projects and give Telangana the focused attention it deserves. This is not empire building, it's basic operational logic. Congestion is killing efficiency on key stretches. Kazipet Balarsha, Kazipet Vijayawada, Secunderabad Wadi, double triple tracks, alignment upgrades, accelerate them. No more bottlenecks pretending to be heritage. Don't forget the backward regions, new lines to Bhupalpalli and below poverty line, tribal mining areas aren't charity. They are economic justice. Connect them, unlock growth. Coming to the human angle, railway staff are stretched thin. Vacancies hurt safety and service. Fill them. Contract outsource workers, keep the system running. Give them fair wages, conditions, dignity, while ensuring no breach in reservations for SCs and STs. Safety upgrades, track renewal, modern signalling, full coverage rollout on dense routes must be non-negotiable. Credit where due. 100% electrification done. Big win for green and efficiency. The 5454 crore allocation for 26-27 is a record high with 48,000 crore worth of projects underway, plus Amrit Bharat station redevelopments. That's real momentum. But budgets are promises, execution is delivery. Timely completion, balanced regional spread, and sustained fairness will decide if this is transformation or just another press release. With the global summit held recently in Telangana, the state is ready to turbocharge India's growth story. The railways must match that energy with vision, speed and justice. And I request the Honorable Railway Minister to please allow push-pull train to run from Warangal as many daily wage labourers come from there. And then please help in stopping few trains at certain places where we have already requested you. And after post-COVID, we have seen that many trains are stopped, which are difficult for the people to travel around. So please look into it, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Speaker Sri Ramashankar Rajbhat. 3 minutes.